Understanding Corporate Training, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of business English, focusing on a very important concept: corporate training. Whether you're a business professional, a student, or just curious about the corporate world, this video will shed light on what corporate training is all about. Corporate training refers to the educational or learning activities provided by an organization to its employees. This training aims to enhance the skills, knowledge, and professional development of employees. It can cover a wide range of topics, such as technical skills, soft skills, and company policies. Corporate training is important because it helps employees perform better in their jobs and contributes to the overall success of the organization. There are several types of corporate training, each serving a different purpose. Some of the key types include: 1. Onboarding training. This is for new employees, helping them understand the company culture and their specific roles. 2. Technical training, focused on specific technical skills required for a job. 3. Leadership and management training, designed for those in or aspiring to management positions, emphasizing leadership skills. 4. Compliance training, ensures employees are aware of laws and regulations relevant to their work. Corporate training can be delivered in various ways, including in-person workshops, traditional classroom-style training, online courses, flexible and accessible, allowing employees to learn at their own pace. On-the-job training, hands-on learning while performing actual job tasks. Mentoring and coaching, one-on-one guidance from experienced colleagues. The benefits of corporate training are numerous, not just for the company, but for the employees as well. It leads to improved employee performance, enhances skills and knowledge, increased employee satisfaction, shows investment in employees' growth, better adaptability, prepares employees for changing industry trends, enhanced company reputation, attracts better talent and retains current employees. In conclusion, corporate training plays a crucial role in the development of both employees and the organization. It's not just about learning new skills, but also about creating a supportive and progressive work environment. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the concept of corporate training. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of business English.